Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 Spooler service error 1068. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type SC space, config space, Spooler space. Depend =sign RPCSS. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand system. Click and expand current control set. Click and expand services. Click Spooler. Open Depend on Service. Delete HTTP, click OK and exit Registry Editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.